Okay, we are back at Disneyland. It's actually a little bit misty right now. I don't even want to call it a mist. Call it a sporadic drizzle.
A very light drizzle.
Yeah.
Very light.
I don't know. Anyway, we're here today. Ozzy's back.
Yay!
We had a commenter asking for you, and I said you'd be back soon. So.
Thank you for asking. I forget who it was though.
Yeah, well, there'll be a lot more other videos before you were here, but you'll show up eventually, right?
Always.
Have you been checking out our Discovery Kingdom videos?
I have. I love the plane ride video, so if you haven't seen that one yet, Neons, definitely check it out. Whoop, whoop.
Lots of fun rides and shows.
Indeed.
I got some more to post, but by the time you're seeing this, everything will be posted.
Yay.
Yay! There with the flag is going to be the highest point in the land, and they're starting to put some like facade work up there. Interesting.
And driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Well, we're going to go into DCA first. It is kind of raining more steadily now, and there's wind. We're still going to try to get a World of Color Fast Pass, just see what happens, and yeah, not sure how much I'll be filming outside today, though, because I'll be like cleaning my lens non-stop if this keeps up.
Obligatory dance scene.
That's right. Come on in.
See, they agree.
It's Boogie's time. Boogie now.
Okay, let's go. Well, we're looking at Cars Land. It's got the Halloween overlay. I'd really love to get more video of this area. It's really coming down right now. We got our fast pass for Guardians because we want to see the Halloween thing for that. Crystal hasn't been on it yet, so she'll be kind of getting part 2 before she gets part 1. And she never won on Tower of Terror, so she has nothing to compare it to.
Sad.
Anyway, we are going to make our way over and get a World of Color fast pass. Unknown if they'll have the show today or not, but we might as well get it just in case. And then we'll find something else to do. Maybe we'll spend a lot of time in dark rides today. We'll see. And yeah, I'm doing this on my phone, so if it looks a little different, that's why. It'll be a lot of these videos today on my phone. Well, we're riding Mickey's Fun Wheel right now. I enjoy the Fun Wheel, but it takes a long time because they always have carriages to load and such. There you go. California Screaming. Looks like they got 3 train service, not really much of a wait. It's still raining, it's just misting, a little bit lighter than it was before. It had let up, but it seems to be kind of off and on today.
Yep.
I'll see if I can find a good shot of Crystal. She went in the swinging one. I have done the swinging ones in the past and they make me a bit ill. Not enough to use the bag right there. Take a look at this. But yeah. They have them for a reason, even in the non-swinging. This is non-swinging. As you can see, it's still
Swaying slightly. It has to sway a bit.
The other one follows these rails on the inside. You can see them from this angle, but you can really see them from the side.
Hello.
I forgot to ask you guys how you like the Mickey's Fun Wheel.
Oh, it was a lot of fun. I like that it swings side to side.
Well, yeah, you were on the swinging one that Julie and I were talking about in the gondola, and then we had Toy Story Midway Mania before that.
Yay.
I just sat in there. I was trying to get footage, and I forgot I had autofocus on it. I was getting confused, so you're not gonna get much footage in there, Neon. Sorry.
I hit 6 digits, 100-something thousand.
And then I shot on the last screen, and I almost got you just on one screen.
Hush.
Anyway, time for I'm gonna call it Tower of Terror, Guardians Mission Breakout, or I don't know what it's called right now during Halloween time.
Yeah.
Attention talent. May I present to you Timey the Collector.
Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan.
Impressions of Guardians. I know you've already said last time.
Let's get the.
Oh, I thought it was a lot of fun. It was better than I was expecting after listening to you two.
Well, it's the theming. The ride itself is good.
Fine, but it just needs to be somewhere else.
Yeah, the ride itself is good. The theming is out of place. Yeah. I like jumping up and down.
It looked interesting.
Yeah.
And the
I like the
bouncing
music.
kind of makes you giggle. Like it's really
Yeah.
it's a happy ride.
I like the ride.
So it's like
It's just weird.
good. And the music changes each ride, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, they have different tracks.
I really enjoyed it.
Yeah,
You just need to do somewhere else.
yeah, I enjoy it. Just shouldn't be a California adventure.
I enjoyed the movie, but too bad never did California. Yeah.
Yep. Anyway, we're gonna probably head over to. Thought I'd show you guys a little bit of the decorations on the way out of DCA since it looks like it stopped raining, at least for the time being. Yeah, they've never decorated DCA before, so it looks nice. We'll have to check out Cars Land either today or another day. Probably all this stuff is gonna look really good at night, especially Cars Land. That always looks good at night. I want to see how the Halloween overlay looks nice. Oswald.
I think of an existential crisis though.
You're not gonna meet him though, are you?
Why not? Sure, I'll meet up there.
Okay. You can meet Oswald.
Wait, someone take a picture of me.
I'll get this.
Okay. Give me your phone. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Hi, Oswald. I'm Oswald too.
Very nice. Must be good luck.
It is good luck.
And you told him that your name was Oswald too.
I did.
I was enjoying Main Street's decorations here. Got the big old pumpkins, small pumpkins, pumpkins of all sizes, great and small. They all have different expressions. You can see them up in the windows, right up there. Yeah, you can see the sky is clearing up here, so crowds are coming out. Yeah, we're gonna go get a fast pass for Space Mountain Ghost Galaxy, and then see what else kind of comes our way. Might go check out a little Star Wars launch bay.
Resistance fighter.
I'm watching you.
What did I do?
You wear your Dodgers hat, that's why.
Oh,
Affirmative.
Dodgers.
Oh, they represent the Dodgers in the World Series.
Okay.
Oh, you want to call this week?
Let me see your identification.
ID. What, annual pass count? Okay.
This will be reported to Captain Phasma. This area is under protection.
See the big lady at Mobile. You get reported to the big lady herself.
We're going to get an autograph.
Command says there's a resistance base nearby. Stay alert. Copy that.
Guys, I'm getting escorted. Help.
The story of Rogue One.
I'm taking out the side.
I want to make sure
Yeah, so there's lots of different kind of exhibits here. I don't think they, or maybe they have some props from the film, but they're mostly just replicas as far as I can tell. But they'll say like, oh, what is this made famous in, like Rogue One? Yeah, I guess this was in the movie, the lone property of LucasArts, but that's just like Death Star and stuff. Cool stuff. So how did you feel getting...
Guys, I think I need a new costume. You saw none of that. You don't know. Nothing happened. Just erase it from everyone's memories and move on with our lives.
Well, I'm going to put it on the internet so everyone will know that
Oh, great.
troublemaker with the Imperials.
Star Wars
has a massive fan base.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk around a little bit. You should try to keep out of trouble.
That fan base.
I keep out of trouble. Trouble finds me, apparently.
What do you
Part
think?
of the job.
Troublemaker, troublemaker. Tattletale, tattletale.
Okay, come on, you two.
So much of that.
Barkeep, blue milk, please.
What is this, Dry Planet? Is that just for decoration? Hello, I need a drink. Anybody? Where on this planet do I have to go to get a good drink?
Apparently not most fireplace.